Hello, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to install Laravel version 10 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like or share your view through the comments section. So let's get started. Go to your browser and Google search engine type Laravel. Press on this first link. You will see this Laravel website. Now here press on documentation to get started. After the pressing on documentation, you will get this page of the process of installation. Here, as you can see, the current version of Laravel is 10. Now go down here where you are going to find the command you will use to install Laravel version 10. First of all, let's create the folder we will be using for our project. Create the folder, name it whatever you want, but make sure it is in htdocs. Now open up your git bash command app or your CMD. Now go back to your browser. Copy this composer command, and after that you are doing to paste it in your CMD or command prompt. Now name your project and then press enter. Now your Laravel project is going to start being installed. As you can see, we are going to use Laravel version 10 because it's the one being installed in our system. Wait a little bit, Laravel is going to install the required dependencies for our project. Now our project installed well. Now go to the project folder. Let's clear out our git bash. We are going to run our project and get the result to our browser. Copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Now as you can see, our project installed and is working very well, and now we have version 10.39 and PHP version 8.2.12. Now here we have our first Laravel application running in the browser. Now we have seen how to install Laravel version 10 in your computer. Now we are going to see how to use virtual host instead of using URL of IP address, where we are going to use our customized URL. Now go and run XAMPP server. Let's go to where our project is located in Drive C. First, let's open Notepad where we are going to look for virtual host file. Make sure you run it as administrator. Go to C drive, then go to ZAMP. htdocs, Apache, conf folder, extra, now select httpdvhost.conf file. Now here we are going to add a new virtual host for this project. We are going to use this 2 lines only. Remove this hashes. Let's go to our project in public folder. Copy this path. Paste it here and remember to change this backslashes to slashes. Now let's define our project domain name here. Save the change we made to the file. Now open up your Notepad again as administrator, but I was using Notepad++ before, but let's continue with Notepad. Put the project domain name here. Save this file and then go to your ZAMP application. Restart the server. Now let's see if our URL if is working. Now as you can see, we can use our customized URL. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.